Christian on Mrs. Phelps Teaches. Today we're going to be having some fun with number bonds. They are my favorite just because they can be used for so many different things. We coordinate ours to go along with the seasons or special holidays just to get the kids interested. Today, let me show you real fast what we're doing. Okay, can you guess which holiday we have tried to theme our number bonds with this week? Answer: St. Patrick's Day. If you weren't sure, this is supposed to be a pot of gold, and the two number bonds are on the side. I would love to be using gold coins as manipulatives today. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those at my house, so we're going to pretend using these yellow Unifix cubes, but use your imagination. They are going to be gold coins for us. I like to use these just to get the kids working with their hands. I feel like with math, it's so much easier if you can use manipulatives instead of just, thinking it out in your head. And it's also more fun. So the way that I like to use these, I go ahead and sort out 10. I've got 10 Unifix cubes here. And then I'll go ahead and put some of those in my pot of gold to start with. So for right now, I'm just going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to add 6 Unifix cubes, okay? I especially like number bonds because they show a part whole lesson. So what I like to start with is get the kids thinking that every number breaks down into smaller parts. We have 6 in our pot, so I just tell them we're playing around, move the cubes around to the number bonds however you want to. They're obviously going to gravitate towards doing equal groups because it's just easier to remember that way. So a lot of them will go ahead and do 3 in one bond and 3 in another. That's totally fine if they want to. I'm also at this point going to show them that you could break it in different ways. We could do 2 up here, and then we could put 4 down here if you wanted to. We could put them all back in the pot, do 1 up here and 5 down here. That works because that still makes 6 too. Even if they wanted to do all 6 in one bond and then nothing in the other, that's fine with me too. I'm just showing them the different parts and different ways to make 6. So we put them all back in our pot. If I'm going to use it with addition, then I like to tell them to break it apart. We'll start with 3 and 3. And then we count to see if that added up to the original number in the pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll ask them, did that add up to the original number that we had? Yes, it did. We had 6 gold coins in our pot. We've got this part here and this part here. All of that together makes 6, okay? You can also do this with subtraction. I like to do it that way as well. We could still leave it with 6. I tell them I have 6 in my pot and I want you to move 3 to the top number bond, okay? How many do we have left? So if I had 6 gold coins in my pot and then I ate 3 of those gold coins, hopefully they're chocolate, but I ate 3 of those. 3 of them went away to this bond, okay? How many do I have left? This is an easy representation for them that there are 3 gold coins in our pot left. So we could still move this down here if we wanted to for subtraction just to show them part, whole. My St. Patrick's Day number bond was just a small example in the ways that number bonds can be used in your classroom. You can use anything that you want. I have used igloos before. I've used little heart erasers for Valentine's Day. We're using bunnies right now for spring, and they're kind of hopping into their little burrow. Kids seem to like them, and what's really important is that they go along with pretty much all of the kindergarten standards, but especially number sense and algebraic thinking and operations. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed Mrs. Phelps Teaches today, and I hope you'll be watching next time. Thanks so much.